Holy shit, I should have done a time lapse of this thing. So this is what happens when you cut your chains exactly to the right size for your tires that are worn out and then buy new tires in the summer. So I'm going to put some air in it and see what happens, but I don't have very high hopes. Where's my valve stem? Oh. Even more important when you're trying to sell the mower and you advertise that it has chains, right? So now this guy that I'm already giving it to it for almost half off just to get rid of it, what if he comes out and says, well, no chains, I want it cheaper? I'm gonna tell him to shut off. That's what I'll do. This isn't gonna be round, there's no way. Yeah, look at that, it was just way too tight. Well, now I have to use these to get the mower out of the yard because it's stuck out there in the snow. Oh, finally. So both wheels are on with chains, a little bubbly, weird looking. Let's see if that evens out by driving it. Both PTOs are hooked up so the deck will run with the blower. Why not see if it'll clear one last path from the fire pit, huffing and spitting. Let's see how those tires are looking. They may have rounded out. I bet they did. He's gonna have a hell of a time getting out. See it all bubbly down there. So I'll just point it out to him. Say, hey, I would take these right the hell off, but they'd probably be all right for the money he paid. I mean, you're looking at $100 in chains and like $150 in tires just on the back. And everything else operates. It's not perfect, right? You got, this is just stuck in place because the arm doesn't fit. I have the arm, collect the spare parts and things like that, but yeah, I had a good run. Forgot one last little part. Since this had the bigger cap, I tested the cap off Cubby and it fit, which is great because we're going to take this little cap that we just bought as a replacement and trade them out. So we have a little memento of good times past, because as mad as I am with this mower right now, because it's a piece of shit and I hate it, I did have some good times cobbling it together from pieces when I got it off my buddy Steve. So as long as that threads on, yeah, look at that, got you a new fuel cap, what a deal, bud. But yeah, we'll have our, it's got the little logo on it. Be our last little memento that our friend is gone forever. There you go. When we look down, we'll never forget.